We will now look at the export node. In this node, we export the model as an OBJ file. We set the name of our export file with the .obj extension in quotes, and select the Save to Hard Disk option in the drop-down. There are two available modes for OBJ export, OBJV, and OBJPS. Vertices are welded in an OBJPS export, and unwelded in an OBJV export. The OBJ file can be imported in most conventional 3D modeling software. In this screenshot, we have imported the exported OBJ models into McNeil Rhinoceros. The model on the left is the one exported with welded vertices, while the one on the right has unwelded vertices. We can visualize their differences by similarly taking a look at their vertex normals. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching.